Harry's Liquor offers the selection and expertise of a full-service liquor store right inside many Price Choppers and Sunfresh locations. Harry's helps Kansas City celebrate the best moments in life. Let's dive into this week's Harry's Liquor lesson. Gin. Genever was the predecessor to gin. Similar to the taste of Scotch, Genever is always made from grains like rye, malted barley, and corn, whereas gin can be distilled from any raw material. There are 5 different types of gin: Navy Strength, Old Tom, Plymouth, Contemporary, and New London. Contemporary gin is a twist on the well-established classic dry gin, giving focus to other flavors, such as floral or citrus notes, while still retaining that quintessential dry juniper character. Navy Strength Gin has a spicy and fiery taste and can be made in a variety of different styles. This is bottled at 57% ABV. It could easily be used in a gin and tonic or a gin and soda, but its robust flavor and enhanced botanicals pack a punch in cocktails. Plymouth Gin is softer juniper than London Dry and has an earthy and tart citrus taste. This is considered to be a fuller-bodied gin. Plymouth Gin works well in a wide variety of cocktails. This gin is a versatile addition to any home cocktail cabinet. Old Tom Gin has a slightly sweet taste, and its styles can vary widely. What makes this gin unique is that it can be barrel-aged, making it a slightly lighter and less malty form of Genever. Because of its malty taste, this gin would taste great in a gin punch, an old-fashioned, or a Tom Collins. London Dry Gin is very pine-forward and has the most dominant juniper notes. It is very clean and crisp in taste. No artificial ingredients are permitted, and no color or flavor can be added after distillation. The predominant flavor must come from juniper. Pick up your preferred gin today at your local Harry's and let us know your favorite way to enjoy. Harry's Liquor has everything you need to celebrate the best moments in life. Stop by today and let us know how you enjoy.